Technique 34. Rubbing with the heels of our hands on the shoulder muscles on either side of the spine. Briskly movements with thumbs interlocked. Technique 35. Fingertip percussion. With both hands loosely together, fingers apart, we clap with our fingertips on the muscle area. The movement comes out of the wrists. Our elbows are pointing outwards. While performing, a typical percussion sound is audible. This loosening up of the muscles completes this massage. We appreciate for the massage, and we wish you joyful experiences while practicing this neck and shoulder massage.